it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? Records came here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with more shenanigans. We can't rest. January have 365 days a night. He not done. So today we're there with Teejay, chapter 1. This is a Valiant this. Apparently him this Valiant, him this DJ Mac, him this Ramesh. Apparently, that's what I've been seeing on social media. Obviously, when I listen to the song yet, because I say I'm going to react to it. Obviously, Warrior go on, so we're going to react. I know so we love Warrior already, right? So, big up ladies them who start the year with a bang. Jada and Steph. Now we're here with Teejay and Valiant. Move. So, we are gonna jump in on here where the G them I said, but before we do that, let's have a look at the thumbnail, man. Let's have a look at the thumbnail. So, we see one frag, bumbo clot. Alright, we see one so that frag is supposed to be Valiant. Okay, so we see one frag. We see the hot catch. We see the hot catch. Catch it at a lie. Yeah, we see the hot catch with 2 bullets all the night and 1 in the eye. Blood run from the mouth. Simple thumbnail, but effective. Yeah. Valiant, them put them call your frag and put put thing there on you. So we're gonna jump in there and you ready Teejay have to say. Let's go, my G.
The boy leak man vice note and farmer. You're not gangster, no rate no. Bex no bex. God no.
Hold on. Sorry to interrupt your video, guys. They again with some more promotions, guys. So if you need your videos or your songs to be on the platform, you can follow me on Instagram and send me a message in my DMs. Serious inquiries only, please, if you want prices and stuff like that. And you're serious about putting the music out there as a young artist and big artist, same way, you can do that same way by linking up, you see me? Jamaica_verse_gamer on Instagram, you see me? Also, guys, if you have any party you promote and you need promotional prices, also you can link me up for that, you see me? But yeah, let's get back to the video. That rhythm, one of my favorite rhythm, them brother, ever in anywhere. Cartel and Movado. That rhythm name drumline rhythm. New name for Informer, Mr. Palmer. None of them pussy there can't call Mr. Palmer Informer. Send him to the barber. Yo! Wait! Rhythm, alright. Rhythm choice nice. Okay, let's hope Valiant up on the same rhythm though. Let's go.
And the boy leak man vice note and farmer. You're not gangster, no rate no. Bex no bex. God no. A drift start all of this. Is a massive.
So when I say a drift start all of this, obviously with DJ and Mac the whole thing. I don't know how I'm going. Some not going night.
Some boy no are rich. No matter of fact, I gotta tell the truth though. Frog face, bumbo old boy, how I do know. A UTC man, up top yeah. No matter of fact, I gotta study the whole of my mind.
Man say I tell everybody in mind, the whole of them in mind. Why me can't hear cartel? None of them pussy there. Can't call Mr. Palmer Informer. Send him to the barber. This cartel you go get murdered like your father. Real life war with your father. Me never kill a barber, but it was a right dilemma. Be a bad man named Palmer. Just stand. Why not hear that? Though? Jesus.
Fuck. I gotta study the whole of my mind. Pussy Valiant, you and your selector friend just a copy man.
The man not showing a shades. The man a go direct. Can somebody want suck me out, Valiant? That the boss I say. Can somebody want suck me out, Valiant? Yeah, your selector boy not stop copy man. So what selector? What Valiant selector? A biggie, right?
Could somebody please once up pussy Valiant? You and your selector friend just a copy man. Don't this Teejay little you we shot the attack for your head where you catch it on.
Catch it at a lie. Don't this TJ, and we shot the hat off your head where you catch it pan. Jesus Christ, catch it at a lie.
Just a copy man. Don't this TJ, little youth, we shot the hat off of your head where you catch it pan. Tell them chippy them a action movie, pussy them a comedy show like Jackie Chan.
You know when you go up on Netflix, you have different category. TJ tell us, yo, listen, me in the action category. Valiant in the comedy category. Yeah. My comedy.
Hey, where you catch it on? Tell them chippy them a action movie, pussy them a comedy show like Jackie Chan. Two gunman pull up na the alley and rifle a wave and knock it on me. Me we make shot Green Jim, don't this man a be all from Green Jill. The two policeman where you a par with and the fat manager boy cannot save him.
The two police boy where you are parry and the fat manager boy where you are cannot save him. The fat manager boy. Where fat manager? Ramesh! Hold that! You fucker, you get one! Why? Casualty of war! Casualty of war!
From Green Jill, the two policeman where you a par with and the fat manager boy cannot save him. Me a top man in a me place, never run left, that this is not the agent. I be a gunshot when he clock waving, can't catch me a dance, coming not raving.
The man tell us, say, yo, listen to me, me a top man in my place, brother. Me a top man in my place, me not run left that. You see me? So if me left and go do show or whatever, me a go back to my place, cause me and me. You can't catch me a party, cause you what? Me no rave, brother, me no party, so you can't catch me there, so no, wrong back.
This is not the agent, I be a gunshot when he clock waving, can't catch me a dance, coming not raving. Since I me uno want fi come save them, drop a bomb inna the entertainment, chop off the dressmaker and so she can't make no suit, fi go down inna the grave then.
Since I me no want come save one, alright then, hold this, me go drop a bomb inna the yo, a what?
Entertainment, chop off the dressmaker and so she can't make no suit, fi go down inna the grave then. I me know everybody pick fights, so me bookie back service, gyal and no pay them.
Me know everybody pick sides, so me book back a service, girl, and no pay them.
Inna the grave then, I me know everybody pick sides, so me bookie back a service, gyal and no pay them. Who no know me a real bad boy, no now no can't give me chat inna the place then. A bad from when I want pop, no boy can't give the dan chat. Maybe trail you carry me G like Scarface, but me a go blast up every man inna that.
No can't give me no chat, brother. Maybe trail you car like Scarface, the movie. Action and don't tell action movie for a long time now. Maybe chill your car, brother, and bomb it, brother. Every man know that I dead because members say on the group up. That is what TJ say, not me. TJ say on the group up, brother, so on easy for kill. All I'm have to do is chill your car. War.
Can't give the dan chat. Maybe trail you carry me G like Scarface, but me a go blast up every man inna that. Hey, me no fire blank shot. Boy see me can swear say you hand traps. Shoot big man, make them shut up themselves. Doctor fi put them in a pampas. A long time me a buy gun. Did I go make buy gun be buy gun? No boy can diss me and get way after me no big idiot like Byron.
Byron get you. Me they go make bygones be bygones. But here fuck that. Me no grow so. No boy can diss me and get way. And tell me about make bygones be bygones. Me no depend that. Remember say Valiant did shade him, brother. Valiant did shade him because the comment section did the hot. When the song drop Salt and Beer. The Valiant shade him, like him I say, a Mac, them a link when them can't find a hit song. So tell me say, yo, a Mac get TJ drift hit song. Tell me say, yo, even I go make bygones be bygones, but guess what? Fuck that. Fuck that.
Bygon be bygon. No boy can diss me and get way after me no big idiot like Byron.
Them I tell you say after me no fool like Byron, after me no idiot. All Byron Messiah, you get some again, me bro. Byron, you take that? Byron, don't take that. Don't take that, bro.
Bygon be bygon. No boy can diss me and get way after me no big idiot like Byron. Me no use strength like Samsung. 4-4 Magnum busted like Charles Branson. Rise up the fucking tam so. Out of this world boy delete life dancing. No inna the grab up and thumping boy. Kappa grab up and thumping bite head like a dumpling.
Blood clot. Lyrics.
Magnum busted like Charles Branson. Rise up the fucking tam so. Out of this world boy delete life dancing. No inna the grab up and thumping boy. Kappa grab up and thumping bite head like a dumpling. Running tight hunting like it's a kangaroo. So you fucking rain jumping. You know. Like a dumpling, running tight hunting like it's a kangaroo, so you fucking brain jump in. Me no stone cold or rock. Me no chose stone or rock. Me with a chrome or black.
Me no stone cold or the rock. Me no stone cold Steve Austin or the rock. And I wrestling this brother. Me no choke up. No, brother.
Jump in. Me no stone cold or rock. Me no chose stone or rock. Me with a chrome or black. Me pull up at your door, me a knock. I be a gunshot in your head, at your door, me a rap. Rifle, lift up a squeeze. Please don't make me tap on no. Hey, why? Who do not want? Talk with no attack. Go you fit this thing. God do no mad. Bumble wall. Sense enough. Dark figures. Dark figures. Dark figures. Up top, yeah.
Yo, hold on, wait. Let me just find out something quickly. Even doing this, Byron in another song too, look what the boss gonna do. The boss put the next video for watch, Unwanted by Teejay. When him this Byron. Yo! Great rhythm choice. Great rhythm choice. War rhythm. Real fucking war rhythm, brother. Valiant, find the rhythm, yeah, bro. Drumline. Find the rhythm. The war is on. The war is on. More and know what Valiant I gonna say. Me need to know what Valiant I gonna say, dog. Jesus Christ. January. Don't done yet. January festive. Don't finish, please. Don't finish. Like it over here. We like it. You see me? Yeah. This time I'm gonna leave the one. Still, let me know what you guys think. If you enjoyed the one and want to see more, leave a like on the video and look on these other videos as well. You can click on and watch more reactions. Alright? Peace!
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip connect.